up, everybody? It's Lawrence over at Machado Fulsa Motor Consulting. Today is the day. We just went and picked up all the parts for the Ford F-150 4x4 build that we're about to do today. Stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy. Ford F-150 XL with a 2.7 liter turbo V6, sitting on 20-inch wheels on 31s. Pretty stock FX4 package. We're about to change all that. Goodbye lights, goodbye grille, goodbye bumper, goodbye dumbass antenna, goodbye stock stance. We don't know about the wheels yet. Still haven't decided about that. We're gonna keep the back pretty stock for now. We know that's gonna change. All the goodies today. All right, guys, here we go. Up. Booyah.
The other two are 10s here. Those are 10s. The small one in the front.
Guys, as you can tell, we've completely removed the whole front end of the truck. Lights are out, grille's out, bumper's gone. These things are beautiful. Can't wait to see them on the truck. We got this Raptor style lower bumper. Nothing fits. Bore it out like an 18-year-old runaway. Ooh, feels good. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so ugly. Were them brights? Oh, shit. And then daytime the runnings, or the turns? Oh, see that player? Light check.
Left turn signal?
Yep.
Right turn signal?
Yep.
High beams?
Yep.
Okay, parking light. Dude, that looks like a totally different truck. Just from the...
Yep, this front end is way better. Got the XD lights, got the Raptor Grille, Raptor bumper. We gotta do some fog lights in it still. We got the little side LEDs.